Alin dito? You choose.
Kahit ano dyan.
Alin dito?
Ayan, kahit ano dyan.
Ah.
Pumili. Bubble Gabby! Ayan,
Ikaw, ikaw, ikaw.
Yung nasa baba.
Ikaw.
Those potatoes,
Ay!
Oh! Yay! Yay! Oh my God! Oh my God! Gusto ko bye-bye! Yay! I like this! It's so ganda!
Taglish, it's so ganda.
Ay! Ikaw ba lang?
When I find out, at first I thought they were Barbies, and I realized they weren't just because it's a fashion doll, but they are.
Barbie?
They do look
I like Barbie!
You can believe it, each one of these was $1. At the Dollar Tree I went to, they had
Naku, mag-usap nga kayo ni Bea. Dali.
Saan yun? Ikaw kung anong gusto mo, basta 30k budget for 2. Yan ang birthday ko sa'yo.
30k budget for 2.
Laptop tsaka
Cellphone. Eh, di ganito na.
Yes.
Ma-record pa yung ano ko dyan. Cut mo na lang.
Oh my God! It's so ganda! Kumain.
Nothing else? It's so ganda.
Yan pa, gusto mo ba yan? Ayaw.
Gusto ko po.
O, ibang klase naman.
Anak, lilipat bigla.
Eh,